Welcome to FinCorp 360, where we simplify accounting and finance for students, beginners, and professionals. Depreciation allocates an asset's cost over its useful life. It's crucial for accurate financial value through wear and tear. In this video, you'll master the sum of the year's digits depreciation method step by step.
Depreciation is the systematic allocation of an asset's cost over its useful life.
Assets lose value over time due to usage, aging, and technological changes. It is not about market value, it's about allocating cost properly in accounting. Depreciation affects both the income statement and the balance sheet. A tangible asset is something physical: machinery, vehicles, buildings. Wear and tear gradually reduces an asset's productive capacity. Accelerated depreciation records higher expense in early years. Many assets generate more benefits in their early years. Straight-line depreciation spreads cost evenly each year. SYD reduces book value faster compared to straight-line.
This difference impacts profit and tax timing.
Let's understand this with a practical example. Assume you purchase a solar panel system. The asset cost is $25,000. Its useful life is 5 years. It has a residual value of $5,000. Depreciable cost equals cost minus residual value. That gives us $20,000 to depreciate. Now we calculate the sum of the year's digits. SYD equals the asset's cost minus salvage. Add the digits of useful life. The total equals 15. Alternatively, use the formula n times n plus 1 divided by 2. 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 equals 15. Notice how expense declines each year while accumulated depreciation increases. Businesses use the SYD method to recognize larger tax benefits early on. This improves cash flow and allows for reinvestment in growth.
Forgetting residual value, wrong denominator, confusing with DDB, not updating remaining life.
If this video helped you understand some of the year's digits depreciation, so like, subscribe, and turn on 360 to support your accounting journey. Thank you for learning with FinCorp 360. Keep learning, keep growing moving forward. In our next video, we'll explore the unit of production method of depreciation. Don't miss it.